music. Yeah, yeah, Boskaina. Na 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 na. In Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jalayo, in Jalayo, in Jalayo, then I then do original, then do original, do yeah, na ya nyar, then do original. Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, I get down in low, I get down to pay if you, I get down in low, I get down to light a buy, and I'm then a jungle, I burn to buy a boy, I get down to more the child, and I'm then a jungle.
I'm too dark. I'm not perfect. I'm not educated enough. I'm fat. I'm too ugly. I'm not
perfect. Alright, so we want to welcome you guys to the 4th annual South Sudan Unite. We're amazed that you guys came out to support such an amazing and brilliant event such as this. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Lillian Lokanobi. Currently I live in Southern California. I just recently finished school for journalism, so with that I'm hoping to raise awareness and bring to light stories that affect our community so that we can bring change to our country.
Lillian.
My name is Adil Majuk. I'm from the United Kingdom. I'm a writer and also an activist, and my background is microbiology. I want to thank you guys for making it here. So sorry that we're commencing a little bit late. Second artist, his name is Young Cutter. He's a videographer and he's also a record producer. So we would love to welcome Young Cutter. Thank you.
Starting from the bottom now, yeah. It's been a long journey, man. I admit it, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Getting to the top was the quest. We made it this far, now to see us in request. We from High Juices.
In Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jalayo, in Jalayo, in Jalayo, then you buy. Then do original, then do original, do yeah, na ya nyar, then do original. Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, yeah, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle.
الله والوطن يا وطن يا وطن الغالي جنوب سودان.
So the next artist is Menage Bone. He's an artist and rapper. You can also check him out on Facebook. So he's going to be taking over the next part of the show. Thank you.
Danny got my fever and I'm swimming in a river. Feeling on my flavor when she touch a light of fire. Danny got my fever and I'm swimming in a river. Feeling on my flavor when she touch a light of fire. Back it up for me, baby, back it up for me. Back it up for me, baby, back it up for me.
Sharing a poem that I recently wrote with you guys. We wake up every morning in the skin we inhabit. We wake up every morning in the skin that has been taunted. We wake up every morning in the skin that protects us. We wake up every morning in the skin that our parents give us. We wake up every morning in the skin and question how far we can go. We wake up the next morning and realize just how far we can push ourselves. You wake up each morning and ask yourself, how am I?
برانا ليك بدمانا يا وطن الحبيب. برانا ليك بدمانا يا وطن الحبيب. ويلا نفرح
by Sudan. In Chipone, man.
I can't use these things.
Yeah, you lose. Yeah, you die. Yeah, you jam. The Chichagi, Cholalagi.
1, 2,
Baby, on your mind. Nelly and the Minera.
hey.
Mira, oh, you know. Inyara. Do come there. Our love is platinum. Something very.
أنينا وراك يا وطن الغالي للأمم نفديك بدماء شهدانا يا الوطن نفديك بدماء شهدانا يا الوطن أنينا جاهزين نحمي الحدود للوطن الجنوب أنينا جاهزين نحمي الحدود جنوب سودان بجيش الشامي الوطن أبي يدا وطن الجنوب ما بنقدر نقسم الأرض أبي يدا ويدا بدم جنوبين برانا ليك بدمانا يا وطن الحبيب برانا ليك بدمانا يا وطن الحبيب ويلا نفرح باستقلال جنوب سودان وكل العالم يسمع أرض جنوبنا والوطن جنوب سودان الله والوطن يا وطن يا وطن الوطن
Rangajo, sabi duke do kakenyum. Don't kill a madinga weekend duke nora yebanya. DJ garangajo, loro kakenyum. Mati garangajo, sabi duke do kakenyum. Don't kill a madinga weekend duke nora yebanya.
I want to call my brother Steve's up here. This is his record. Bugging me for months. It's a new record for y'all. It's coming soon. It's called Cultural Dress. Let's go.
If I put on my African dress,
Oh,
I feel no shame at all.
If I-
Look in my culture dress.
for the ladies. Left side, what's up?
Who I am, so I do it
Right side, what's up?
the African way. It's so beautiful, so
This record right here is called Cultural Dress. Be on the lookout for it.
I can change the world.
I go by the name of Bafo
with my
Joseph.
beautiful dress. I
And I'm
can
so
put a
proud to be
smile on
Southern
the faces of
Sudanese,
everyone, 'cause I'm a
because-
beautiful girl.
Habibi ya mama na jurom wayin kayan tipu kwen jurom katu Habibi ya mama. Mabye tagara shulano dom chumay kwai mayen en yo khyata le wolembe en dom Peter Wuma tweet may hadi long like that. Bulor bulor ka kenyum, madye garanga jok sabi du bedo ka kenyu ni dong chira la madinga wul chen du ke nora ye banyar DJ garanga jok bulor ka kenyu madi garanga jok sabi du bedo ka kenyu ni dong chira la madinga wul chen du ke nora ye banyar awul malwala bol nyar madi bil pamuna ke ban o ko bukenya ka mer ka tren madi yin garanga jok o bukenya gundi gernya nor one day ni kume ka bin nyandi na yo panga wana solo ti do ka bin nyan gunjar an yar kume da ye ba ma jok ka bin gunjar na jok ni ne ye ma ma jok ni ya jok na wendi ba lo bai a bo ba ya lo nyan wi chu we ya jok ni ku we ya jok dal we don't want to go to the moon, yeah, I want to go. I do, I want to go to the moon, yeah, I want to go. And then anywhere, when you're young, when you're now, God, when you go, yeah, but you get into my young one. I'll be your mama, now you run away. I keep you when you're on that moon. I'll be your mama. Matthew Garanga Jok, Sabi Dubedo Kakenyu, you don't get a Lamatina, can do Kenora Yevanyar, DJ Garanga Jok, Lord Kakenyu, Matthew Garanga Jok, Sabi Dubedo Kakenyu, you don't get a Lamatina, can do Kenora Yevanyar, I will Malwana Boranyar, Matthew Bill Pamuna Kevin, Obukenya, American Train, Matthew. Garanga jok obukenya gudigernya nor one day ni kumega bin nyande na yo panga wana solo di do ka bin nyan bunjar anyar kumeda ye baba jol ka bin bunjar na jol ku ine ye mama jol ini ya jol a wendi balog bai a wen bare ya lom nyan wi bu we ini ya jol ki din bu we ini ya jol atar we don't want to go to the moon, yeah, I want to go. I do, I want to go to the moon, yeah, I want to go. And then get anywhere, go where you're young, with no way and anywhere. Now, God, when you get there, but you get into my joke, I'll be your mama. Now you run away,
our young ones are struggling.
I'll be your mama.
Struggling.
Like that. The wheel down my jump, I'm gonna beat a rabu. When my junk one, I'm gonna beat a rabu. When my junk one, I broke the wheel down my jump, I'm gonna find no way. I broke the wheel down my jump, I'm gonna beat a rabu. When my junk one,
We are the generation that's gonna fix our country. With this light, we're gonna light South Sudan up.
Arizona, Phoenix, the community. It's never really an easy decision to pick where we want to go and make South Sudan unite. And it's always hard because there's always somebody who doesn't like the idea of South Sudan unite. Everybody here that's here because you guys believe in South Sudan unite. But I promise you guys, there's a lot of people.
The weekend. Everybody wants to come to a fashion show. It's awesome. You see clothes, you get to see all this stuff, but it's also a moment to speak to people and to get certain messages out. And we were able to do that. And me and her just decided to create stories within the show so that you can also interact. The guests can interact, so you're just not sitting down. You're part of the show, and you feel like you're there, and you're listening to the stories, and you feel it too, and that it's a part of you. So we just really want to thank you guys so much for allowing us to do this and giving us that space, Lual and Erek and everybody at South Sudan Unite team, and not bothering us and letting us have full control, because we have a heart for this, and we know what the meaning of South Sudan Unite is, and we want to make sure that people remember that. And we want to use stories, and we want to use prints and colors through fashion, and music and art. They're all tied in together, and they all tie in our whole weekend together. And we don't want people to forget that, because we're healers, all of us, each and every one of us, and we want to make sure that you leave knowing that you can make a difference by just being yourself and accepting other people and having compassion and spreading love and just being there for one another, because we're all together. We're all one unit. Nobody's separate. We're all in this together.
Minnie, you want to say anything?
Jangan nimben mar goriel, jangan nimben mar kalkwel, jangan nimben mar